Hello, you're watching Proactive. Here are some of the stories we've been covering in the mining and energy sectors this past week. Pan African Resources lifted gold production by 51% in the first half, driven by Elikhulu, Evander, and new projects. Higher gold prices helped cut net debt sharply, with the company expecting to be debt-free and paying an interim dividend.
We have to commend the management team at the Evander Underground for a much better performance. That infrastructure is now fully commissioned and operating as it should. But with higher grades, we can expect certainly even an even better performance as far as the Evander Underground is concerned.
Bradderhead Lithium has partnered with Rio Tinto's Kennecott on the Whistlejack project in Arizona. If approved by shareholders, the deal will boost scale and create synergies with the San Domingo asset, as Bradderhead targets a meaningful lithium resource.
RTZ have kept an ownership in this project. We are earning up to 60%, as you probably will recall from the press release that went out. There is an opportunity for us to buy more, provided that RTZ do not want to move this forward themselves at that time. But reality is that what they're saying is, guys, you get on, run the business with us. We'll help you where we can, but get on, make a success of it, and then let's get together. So really, RTZ are a huge supporter of what we're doing.
Empire Metals says Pitfield is shaping up as a globally significant titanium project in Western Australia. Test work has delivered better grades and a simple flow sheet, with pilot studies planned for this year.
All in all, we're really well positioned to become a really important strategic supplier, and that's what we're going to be focusing on as part of these studies, this phase of development.
Powerhouse Energy has submitted planning for its first UK waste-to-hydrogen plant in Ballymena in Northern Ireland. The project targets local waste and hydrogen demand, with key permits and supply deals expected next year.
We can move quickly, as quickly as we can with a planning application into the next step, which is permitting. We have started that process, but it's a slightly different way of going through that process than it is in the mainland of the UK. So we really are set up now just to take this forward.
Active Energy has signed heads of term for a UAE digital infrastructure joint venture. Management says the capital-light model supports rapid scale-up to 100 megawatts without heavy dilution.
Instead of building a sales engine from scratch, we'll leverage on one that's already out there, which again, it shortens the time from capacity coming online to revenue generation.
Follow us and subscribe on YouTube, our social channels, and on proactiveinvestors.co.uk.